Do you like Flippy?
Hey, why is it shaped like that?
Unknown reasons. Unknown reasons. That is my emotional support duck. His name is Flippy. And then you got a little kitty. Supposedly that's supposed to like bring you money or good luck or something. I don't know. The Chinese restaurants have them and they have good food. So what the hell? The little Jesus statue though does have significance. One of my good buddies, he had these little Jesus statues. They popped up all through his restaurant. Well, after his funeral, the day after his funeral, I went into work and there was a machine that needed worked on, and I never touched that machine. But whenever I went over to the machine to start working on it, and I always had this on my desk, but he always had those statues all over his restaurant. I showed up at the machine and there was one of those sitting on the computer.
I am installing and mounting a cradle point. This little guy, it's like your house modem. We'll just call it that for layman's terms. So I'm going to actually mount it underneath in this compartment down here where their inverter's at already, since there's not going to be any other equipment that actually goes in there. So that's more of like a maintenance equipment area. And then up here is where they're going to put all their linens. So this will be closed off like that. This will be mounted underneath, and you'll just see four tops of screw heads up top coming down through. Mount that in. Already got power ran. We'll put a D-ring up here, have them looped across, make them look all nice, and they'll look pretty.
Do you guys install strikers?
We have not. We've been told to possibly try and get into that stuff. They're pretty cool.
So this is how we were figuring out. Coast is clear for our hole. I always put this down in here. And wait, where are we? Oh, there we are. Wonderful little tool, little glass lens on it. Goes right to the phone, iPad, whatever. See, look, we can look at the camera, looking at the camera. Ooh. We are installing a cradle point antenna system, which gives you 4G and 5G access to data and turns it into a Wi-Fi signal for the whole vehicle, your front tablets, laptops, rear tablets, anything they may need to communicate via data signal or Wi-Fi. This vehicle will have a Wi-Fi signal throughout it, and it will also, if they wired it and if they want it that way, you could actually have a hardwired connection to all your data devices. And essentially, we're installing a high-end telephone or a high-end cell phone.
So why do you have to have that light off?
Why do I have to? Because that's how I'm getting into where I drilled the hole. See, just so I can get another handle on where I'm putting the antenna at. That and to make sure I had a clear path whenever I drilled my massive hole.
Actually look good for you today, John.
Why do you look good?
Got my haircut.
Why did you get your haircut?
Ooh, I see what you're doing there, because I'm a taken man now.
You got engaged.
Got engaged. Yep, off the market. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, it's a good thing I look back in there.
Well, what'd you find?
It's a good thing I always look back in the hole. Stand by.
It's going to be a peanut.
Going out the front.
Your hole saw.
The hole saw.
Yeah,
Ta-da!
kind of need that.
Oh, look. 'Tis the season.
No.
Because if you're looking for radios or to have radios serviced, call us at Blackout 911. We should make a video where I take all of our loom and I'll go over to the garbage can, throw it, and we'll make one for all you haters. I'll take all of our boxes of loom, go over and throw them in the garbage. I'll take out loom tool and I'll light it on fire on the floor, and then for the dude who said about my handlebars that are off center, I'll go over and I'll shave the damn things off right on video. So there you go, all you haters. I'll get tore up over the internet on this one too. This is my wireless 110 power cord.
Is that like a server battery?
Yeah, it's a big battery backup. Right now, I have no load on it, but see, it's outputting 120 volts right now. Run time right now is 472 minutes with nothing on it.